Now I want to talk to you about how to enter coordinates on a Garmin GPS, and this is actually very simple. Let's start with where we currently are. If we are on our map, and you can see our little station wagon automobile here, this is our current location. And we want to figure out where that current location is so that we can either save the coordinates and enter the coordinates at a later date, or plan a route from our current location. So we're going to go ahead and click on our icon, and it's going to go ahead and calculate where am I. So here's our coordinates, giving us the coordinates, even giving us the elevation. We can go ahead and click Save and create a POI, or point of interest, from our current location, or I can just write down these coordinates, and then what I want to do with those is, let's go back to the main menu. Let me show you how to get there. If you go under Where To, go under Categories, and of course this is going to be different in each model. We're using a Garmin Newbie 2595 LMT, so whatever you're using, it's going to be very similar, especially on a Garmin. Once you go into the categories, you're going to scroll down to Search Tools, and you're going to see an option here for Coordinates. And this is where you would take those written coordinates and enter them in here, and then you'd be able to view these coordinates on the map simply by clicking on View on Map.